The second example is to create different formatting of page layout by using section breaks. I'm going to show you a complex solution first, this is the basic concept. There are two solutions. The first one is a complex one. The second one is very simple. Understanding the simple one means that you need to understand first the complex version. I'm going to put my cursor here below the title that I want to change to landscape, for example. Layout, insert breaks, choose continuous. This means that this title is currently now at section 3, as you can see below. Above this title is section 2. I'm going to create a new section again. Layout, breaks, and continuous. This means that before this title, all the pages are on section 2. This title is on section 3, and below this title is now on section 4, like this, section 4. This means that I'll go to the title here and then change the layout of the page orientation, layout orientation, and choose landscape, and voila, previous page is on portrait while the intended page is on landscape, and the following page is also on portrait. Now the second alternative is the easy one. Let's go to another model, this one. I'm going to change only the model title here into a landscape one. What I'm going to do is to highlight all the things that I want to change into landscape. Go to layout, open all the expand the page setup ribbon, choose landscape as orientation. However, apply to selected text, the one that I select, and then click OK, and again voila, now the selected text, which is the model title, is on landscape while the other pages are on portrait. And that's the use for different page layouts.